Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the vibrant city, located in southwestern Russia. Join me as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about this dynamic city of Rostov-on-Don. Fact 1. Historic roots. Rostov-on-Don traces its origins back to 1749 when it was founded as a customs post on the Don River. Over the centuries, the city has evolved into a major cultural, economic, and transportation hub in the region. Fact 2. City of Firsts. Did you know that Rostov-on-Don was the first city in Russia to have electric trams? The tram system was introduced in 1893, making Rostov-on-Don a pioneer in public transportation in the country. Fact 3. Rich cultural heritage. Rostov-on-Don is renowned for its rich cultural heritage, evident in its diverse architecture, museums, and theaters. Explore iconic landmarks such as the Rostov State Musical Theater and the Rostov Regional Museum of Fine Arts. Fact 4. Sports capital. Sports enthusiasts will feel right at home in Rostov-on-Don, known as the sports capital of Russia. The city boasts world-class sports facilities and is home to top football and basketball teams, including F.C. Rostov and B.C. Rostov-Don. Fact 5. Riverfront beauty. One of the city's highlights is its picturesque riverfront along the Don River. Stroll along the scenic embankment, lined with parks, cafes, and entertainment venues, and soak in the serene views of the river. Fact 6. Gastronomic delights. Rostov-on-Don is a food lover's paradise, known for its delicious cuisine and vibrant culinary scene. Indulge in local specialties such as Rostovskaya balak, smoked ham, Don Cossack shashlik, and mouthwatering pastries. Fact 7. Educational hub. With several prestigious universities and educational institutions, Rostov-on-Don is an educational hub in southern Russia. The city attracts students from across the country and around the world, contributing to its vibrant academic community. Fact 8. Festival capital. Throughout the year, Rostov-on-Don comes alive with a variety of festivals and events celebrating its culture, traditions, and heritage. From music festivals and art exhibitions to food fairs and cultural performances, there's always something exciting happening in the city. Fact 9. City of Bridges. Rostov-on-Don is often referred to as the City of Bridges due to its numerous bridges spanning the Don River and its tributaries. These architectural marvels not only connect different parts of the city but also add to its charm and character. Fact 10. Innovative spirit. Finally, Rostov-on-Don is a city with an innovative spirit, embracing modernity while preserving its heritage. From tech startups and creative industries to green initiatives and urban development projects, the city is constantly evolving and shaping the future. And there you have it, 10 interesting facts about Rostov-on-Don city. Whether you're a history buff, a sports fan, or a foodie, there's something for everyone to enjoy in this vibrant city. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy exploring!